So let's talk about the computer languages. Languages in a computer communication between human beings. Language is what? A system of communication between human beings. So we have various languages convey our thoughts and views. Similarly, make computer work for us. We need to convey the instructions to the computer. These instructions must be stored in some kind of languages. And this language is called programming language. The develop of computer language has been classified into five categories. The first one is machine language, assembly language, high level language, fourth generation language, and the fifth generation language. So these are the languages which we classified the computer languages into a five parts. So machine language, all of you know that the machine language is written in the form of 0 and 1, right? That one is the machine language. Machine level code is very efficient. The use of machine language is very tedious, difficult, and time consuming. Code is different to edit and update. You can't be able to decode the codes of the machine language. And the next one is assembly language. Assembly language is a machine language, was difficult to code and highly prone to error. Hence, very few programmers were available to code using machine language. So assembly language can directly work with a physical CPU. Processing speed is very high. Code cannot be transferred to another system and has to be rewritten. So this one is about the assembly language. And the high level language, program is written in high level language are most easier to maintain and modify. A program is executed line by line in sequence, easier to code and implement. Program written once can be implemented and executed on multiple machines. Need a translator to convert the code into machine language. So these are the benefits of high level languages. And we'll talk about digital computers. What are digital computers? We classified the computers into a three categories: digital computer, analog computer, and hybrid computers. So digital computers are those computers all input provides to simple electronic based computer is a digital computer. These computers work on the principle of binary codes only. A digital computer can perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also logical operations. Analog computers, they measure continuously change in some physical quantities. Analog computer display output in the form of waves or signals. There is no concept of memory in analog computers. So this one is, a negative thing in analog computer. Their input is continuously physical phenomena such as electrical, mechanical, or hydrochloric quantities. Hybrid computer, what are hybrid computers? A hybrid is a combination of digital and analog computer. These computer process both analog and digital signals. They are capable of giving inputs and outputs of both signals and analog data. These have the speed of analog computer and memory or accuracy of digital computers. Accuracy means savdhaniya. So the characteristic of computer is that the accuracy and the fast and accurate answer. Computer is giving you the fast and accurate answer. So this one is the characteristic of computer. As well as we are going to learn about the definitions also. Hardware, it is a collection of all parts you can physically touch. I already told you in the class whenever we are going to work on the first chapter. Software is a set of program that governs the operations of a computer system and it's related to devices, right? And system software, this controls all internal activities to a computer system and also the ones between all the attached components of a computer system. So these are the system software, application software. It enables the user to complete their specific task. Whenever we want to do complete a specific task, we are going to upload a specific applications. So they are the application software. There are so many application softwares available in the market. In the Play Store, you can upload that application software and complete your work. So thank you.